Big, bold, unapologetically American. The Cadillac Escalade isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. From hip-hop videos in the early 2000s to the presidential motorcade and luxury family drives, the Escalade has always stood for power, presence, and prestige. But how did it all start? And how did it become this good? Let's take a ride through the decades and end with the beast that is the 2021 Escalade. Back in 1999, Cadillac dropped a bomb on the SUV market. The first-generation Escalade rolled out for the 2000 model year, a rebadged GMC Yukon Denali, yes, but it was Cadillac's entry into the SUV game, and it came in loud. Big chrome wheels, leather seats, bold vertical lights. The Escalade wasn't trying to blend in, it wanted to be seen, and guess what? It worked. By 2002, the second-generation model came in hotter. New chassis, more aggressive styling, and that powerful 6.00-liter V8. This version became the luxury SUV of the decade, a celebrity favorite, a symbol of excess, an icon of pop culture. And Cadillac knew it. As we entered the 2010s, the Escalade matured. The third and fourth generation saw upgrades in technology, refinement, and handling. Gone were the days of brute force alone. Now it was about combining muscle with finesse. Cadillac refined the ride, tightened the lines, and added features like magnetic ride control, better infotainment systems, and luxury-focused trims. The 2015 Escalade introduced that sharp, modern Cadillac grille, sleek LED vertical headlights, and a much more premium interior. Still massive, still bold, but now a lot smarter. Yet, Cadillac wasn't done. In fact, they were just getting started. Enter the fifth generation, the 2021 Cadillac Escalade. Rebuilt from the ground up, this is not a refresh, this is a reinvention. Design-wise, it's an evolution of Escalade DNA, angular, intimidating, elegant. From its massive grille to its signature vertical taillights, the Escalade still commands the road. But inside, oh, it's a whole new world. Say hello to the 38-inch curved OLED display. That's right, a single sweeping digital panel across the dash, delivering rich graphics and cutting-edge control. Crisp, responsive, jaw-dropping. The AKG Studio Reference sound system, 36 speakers, 3D audio, and a concert hall vibe you feel in your chest. Add to that night vision, augmented reality navigation, Super Cruise, yes, hands-free driving on highways, and you've got a luxury tech showcase on wheels. But what about power? Under the hood, the 2021 Escalade offers a 6.2-liter V8 with 420 horsepower, or a 3.0 Duramax turbo diesel for those who crave torque and efficiency. Riding on GM's new independent rear suspension, the Escalade finally delivers true third-row comfort and an impressively smooth ride. And yes, there's an air suspension system available on select trims, so you glide like royalty wherever you go. This isn't just the most luxurious Escalade ever. It's one of the most advanced full-size SUVs on the planet. From 2000 to 2021, the Escalade has evolved from a bold newcomer to a benchmark in luxury SUVs. And the 2021 model? It's not just a Cadillac. It's the Cadillac. Big, brave, brilliant. This is Escalade. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next drive.